A couple things I want to do. I got a big open hole in the back and the front of my carburetor where this thing had various vacuum lines and such as that. There's also a vacuum line on this distributor that probably goes into someplace about like right in here. So I want to close off those two vacuum lines. This valve cover gasket is glued on. I don't have a valve cover on there, but I can put one on there just for temporary. I want that to be glued on the bottom but free on the top, because the valve cover that I'm going to set on here is not one that's going to stay on here. It's just going to be something I'm going to put on there temporarily while I'm messing around with it. I may just leave the valve cover off, because all I'm going to do is hear this thing go, you know, boom, and then go dead when I pour some gas in it. So what I might do here instead, well, first thing I'm going to put this spark plug back in the hole. Oh, the other thing that's going to have happen is that I need to have run all the wires to the right places. Pretty sure I have. I went and bought the book, put the wires where they go, but I could have made a mistake, and you don't ever want to rule that out. Another thing that's going to happen is timing is going to be an issue. You know, I might need to do a little twisting on the distributor. That's just I'm gonna find a way to attach this hot wire to that battery terminal with some sort of little clamp, and then we'll splash a little tiny bit of gas over in there. See what happens. Find me a clamp. I think I got a clamp here that will do. Let me find a way to stop up those holes I showed you in the carburetor. That's something I can plug those with. I don't even know where y'all are at anymore. Where did I set you down? Where are you? Oh, here you are over here. I was losing track of myself. Find a little something to stop that a little bit. I'm going to grab a little vacuum line and attach that thing over there. The vacuum line may just be too tiny. I probably need a bigger one anyway. Let's see. Motor could be sitting higher in the front. Might be okay. Not me having to pick it up any. You have to slip a board onto the front. Can do if I want to. All I'm doing here is just leveling the carburetor. When the engine's sitting with the front end down, it's better if the carburetor's kind of level. Nice, we had it about right. What else? A little splash of gas. I'm on fire, did you see that? That's her running right there, y'all. And do we want to run it more than that with no headers on it? I don't think so. But we know it will run. Let's stop right there.